Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to build a house of sticks, so keep watching. So my children wanted to make a house and I thought, why not making a house of sticks? So I drew a house on a piece of paper, and as soon as I gave them the toothpicks, they started with the lines they see of the house, and then slowly and gradually continued making the house completely. If you want to make it colorful, you can also use colored papers and use these toothpick sticks on them, so it will be extremely colorful as well. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.